Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. All right, folks. Today we're going to be unboxing a flashlight from Wurkkos. This is their TS10 SG, the TS10 SG. So let's open it up and see what we have. All right. Oh, that's nice. They made it easy to open. Let's pull this out here. So the first thing we have, you're going to see, is a lanyard. I don't know. I don't generally use lanyards with my flashlights, but some people do. So it's nice that they include that for everyone. And it's a nice size lanyard. Typical, easy to attach. Then on the underside, you've got your charging cable, USB-C, so totally up to date. You've got your instruction manual. And it looks pretty detailed, but instructions be damned. We'll look at those later if we can't figure it out. And then, of course, we have the flashlight. And I opted for this beautiful, they call it blue, but it looks teal to me. Look at that. That's really pretty. You've got your two-way clip, so you can clip it in the pocket. And I turned it on when I was pulling it out of the package. All right, so you've got your two-way clip, so you can put it on the bill of a hat. You can put it in your pocket. Those are always convenient. And you've got multiple modes in this. So this has a really powerful LED, as well as some auxiliary LEDs that you can use for ambience lighting. They're multicolored, so you can use those for indoor because they're more subdued. But let's talk about what this has. So this is equipped with an SFT 25R 600K main LED. And it's bright. It goes to 1650 lumens at max power. And it'll go down to about 5 lumens on minimal power. And it has a throw of about 294 meters, which is about 965 feet altogether. So it's gonna shine light everywhere you need it. It's got a multi-mode. It's multi-mode with an Android 2 UI, and it offers a simple mode. So you just 2 clicks and you're on. You can hold the button down to lower the lumens, and you can go from there all the way up to this really bright LED. Then when you turn it off, you've got these colored lights. And you can put it into a mode where the colored lights stay on, which is a nice feature. Really light on this. I think weight-wise, this comes in at just over 2 ounces, if I'm not mistaken. All right, hope that gives you an idea of what exactly this light can do. It's raining a bit, so we're going to go inside and wrap this up. Or 34 grams. Yep, so very light, very lightweight. It uses a 14500 lithium-ion battery. It's really comfortable in the hand. The way that's sculpted right there fits really well between your fingers. And no real hot spot. I mean, the clip could be, but I mean, if you're holding it like I do with the clip out to the side, really ergonomic, really feels good in the hand, which is nice. It's water resistant. It does come, I forgot to mention, it does come with extra O-rings. They were in the bag with the lanyard, so that's always a nice feature. You know, as you're changing the battery, you may damage an O-ring or you may lose one, so you got extras. That's a nice feature. It's just a very attractive looking light too, by the way. And this can get hot. So what this does, this has some built-in protection. It has an overheating protection. It's got a reverse polarity protection. So if you put the battery in the wrong way, you're not going to damage the unit or the flashlight. That's really nice. If the temperature hits 60 degrees Celsius, it will turn itself off. Or it won't turn it off, but it'll reduce the brightness level to reduce the temperature, which is really nice. And it does have a low voltage warning indicator. So can't really beat that. What we're going to do is we're going to take this outside, shine it outside, show you what the different levels of luminance look like, and then we'll come back and wrap it up. All right, folks, we're outside. It's a rainy night here in New Jersey. And just to let you know, I will link in the description where you can get the Wurkkos light. Also, too, they gave me a discount code, so that way you guys can save some money with it. So that's going to be linked in the description. So let's show you what this little guy can do. Just turn her on. And right now we have it in a very low mode, which doesn't really show up that well. But there we go. Crank it. We'll go full turbo mode. Now look how far down you can see. You can see down. I mean, at a ridiculous distance. Just works really well. And it is raining, so I'm not going to stay out here that long, but I do want to show you just what the beam looks like. And actually, because of the moisture, you get to see really the spread of the beam, which is really nice. All right, folks, we're back from the outside. As you can see, the flashlight did really well. It projects at a great distance. It's bright, very easily adjustable. You saw the different lumen levels. And one thing I forgot to mention is that this is water resistant. It's an IP68 water resistance level. So if you take it outside in the rain, or if you get caught out in the rain hiking, it's not going to be a problem. If you drop it in a puddle, it's not going to be a problem. It's going to hold up really well. Just a really well-built flashlight from Wurkkos. I really love what they're doing. I've been using the Wurkkos HD01 for a while now. That's a great go-to flashlight for me. And then I have the Wurkkos TS-10, which we've already done a video on. And I'll link that up top so you can take a look at that. Well, I think Wurkkos is just doing a really great job. All right, folks. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.